Hello YouTube. It's been a great day. If you ask ChatGPT how to use ChatGPT for business, so it's a complete guide how uh, to be used ChatGPT for our business purposes. What we have advantages of ChatGPT if we are going to incorporate in our AI. We want to incorporate AI into our businesses and want to make sure how to we can automate our business, how it will be working with us. So introduction: ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way business operate, the automating tasks, improving customer engagement by boosting productivity. Um, in the video, we will explore how the business ChatGPT works here. So first of all, customer support and chatbot. So how it helps automate 24/7 customer support with AI powered chatbot. So chatbots work for you 24/7 and you will automate your business into making good productivity out of using AI powered chatbots. You reduce workload by answering frequently asked questions, FAQs, integrate with WhatsApp, Messenger, Slack, websites for seamless support. So best tool for this one is ChatGPT API, build custom AI bots, ManyChat, BotPress, and Drift AI-powered chatbots are available for businesses. And the second main important thing is marketing and advertisement. How it works: generate ad copy, email marketing campaigns, social media posts, and when you optimize SEO blog post and produce description. This is important because SEO is the key role into automating and making good sales in the marketing sector. Write persuasive sale copy in seconds. Like when we give the prompt to the ChatGPT, it will give us the sales copy, and it will uh, give us text which is only based on our specific prompt. So what is prompt? Prompt is the lines we ask ChatGPT to react in against our what we have to ask ChatGPT to work with us. So best tool in the marketing and advertisement is Jasper AI, Copy.ai, Write Sonic. These are also AI-driven marketing copy generators. So ChatGPT plugins also automate the content creation for ads. So third important thing is content creation and blogging. When you have to automate your business, you will have to create a content creation for your business. You have to make blogs for making a good sales. You will have to give explanation of this product of your store or your businesses. How it helps: write blogs, articles, YouTube scripts, and newsletter, or effortlessly brainstorm viral videos ideas and trending content topics, generate SEO optimized titles and meta descriptions for better reach. Best tool for this one is Suffer SEO plus ChatGPT. It will be best AI assistant content creation, content ranking thing, and Notion AI and Grammarly AI smart content creation will be into your editing skills. Fourth important thing is sales and lead generation is the best thing we'll be doing in ChatGPT. How it helps: write high converting sales emails and LinkedIn messages. Second, automate follow-ups and client engagements. Use AI to personalize outreach based on customer data. So HubSpot plus ChatGPT, when you use these tools together, you will be having best sales automation. And Apollo.io and Lemlist AI powered email personalization is the I think the best combo for this one. 5, business automation and productivity. How it helps: summarize meeting notes, emails, reports, automate data entry, research, document formatting, create smart tasks, lists, project management assistance. This will give you Zapier. If we collaborate Zapier with ChatGPT, it will automate our task. Notion AI and Trello AI will be AI powered task management tools. So how to make money using ChatGPT, we will be summarizing in here. If we are going to automate our business, will be freelance and freelance with AI writing, automation, Fiverr plus Upwork. You can work on this platform. Sell AI generated ebooks, blogs, and courses. Offer AI powered chatbot solutions to businesses. This is important thing. I am also working on it. So create AI driven marketing strategies for companies. Great. Last in the not least, the call to action for this video. Want to learn more about the automated business AI solution? This is the basic thing. ChatGPT of all the time gives you the um, at the end your suggestions and the recommendations. So this is the most important thing. We have explored this one, and you got information how ChatGPT you can use into your business and making more sales, and we have to make our businesses more automated, more productive, more yielding. Thank you very much for connecting with me, and we will see you in the next video. This is very important video. Share this video, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for being here. Greatness.